Hello, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will install Docker engine on different flavors of Linux. I have my 3 Linux boxes ready. Let me show you how to install Docker engine on all these 3 boxes one by one. For this installation, I will simply be following Docker official document. Please do let me know if you are facing any issue while installing Docker. In another tab, I will search with Docker install. This is the first website which is from Docker. Let us click on that. Now we can see here we have Docker engine and there are different flavors of Linux. Now let us connect to Ubuntu first. Let me see if I can connect directly. Yes, I already have enabled SSM for this Ubuntu, so it is allowing me to connect. Click on connect. Logging in as root. Let us check its OS version. Cat OS release. We can see it is Ubuntu. Now go to Docker installation page. Here we have Ubuntu. Now I will simply following all the steps what they are suggesting. Just to check if we have already installed Docker in our system, run docker -b. It is saying command not found. Again you can run docker ps. Still it is saying command not found. It means Docker is not in our local system. So this step we can skip because they are saying if we want to uninstall Docker which is previously installed. Now we have to first set up Docker apt repository. So I will directly copy all these commands and run it. Now it is setting up Docker repository. Meanwhile, we will copy another command. After setting up Docker repository, here in second step we have to install Docker. So this is the command to install Docker. Copy this. Oh sorry, it is asking for permission. Enter Y and press enter. Okay, we will wait. Okay, so it seems repository setup is done. Now I will run the command to install Docker which I already have copied. Enter. Again it is asking for confirmation. Press Y, hit enter. Now it is installing Docker. Remember this is our Ubuntu system and we are following documentation for Ubuntu. Now in third step it is saying to verify if Docker is installed or not. So when we run this command, this will create a container of name hello world. But let's say if you don't want to create container but still you want to check if Docker is installed or not, you can run docker version or docker ps or simply docker. Now I will write. Now you can see it is not throwing that error, that command not found. We can also run docker ps. It will list all the running containers. Now we can see it is giving some output. It means Docker is installed properly. Now we can uninstall it. So let us go to the bottom of the page. Here we have one command to uninstall Docker. Copy this. Paste it here. Hit enter. Give confirmation. Enter. Now when we run Docker, it is saying no such file or directory. It means Docker has been uninstalled. Go to its documentation page again. Here we have second step also, where it is saying images container volumes are stored in these location. But since it was our brand new Linux box and we have not performed any activity related to Docker, so we can skip this step also, because we don't have anything in these folders, right? So we can skip this. So this was about Ubuntu machine.